Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Tuesday, September 20th, and these are your data highlights. Shares of iBuying company Opendoor dipped by 4% on Monday following a Bloomberg report that said the company sold a meaningful proportion of homes at a loss in August. An estimated 42% of Opendoor's transactions that month were closed at a loss, with that proportion rising to as high as 76% in certain markets. The dire data is highly reminiscent of Zillow's iBuying debacle, as the leading real estate listing platform had exited its own iBuying business last November after conceding that it badly misread the market and its pricing algorithms failed to adapt quickly enough to evolving market conditions. Opendoor is attempting to avoid the same mistakes while balancing its reputation. While the company has already recognised headwinds in the housing market, it said in early August that it would honour existing sales contracts despite unfavourable changes. Opendoor considers doing so to be an investment in its brand. Short interest hit a relative bottom almost exactly a month ago, but has since been rising. There are now 77.6 million shares held short, or 15.6% of free float. Cognex rallied 6% in extended trading after raising its revenue guidance for the third quarter. The update came ahead of the Analyst Day that Cognex is hosting later today for institutional investors and sell-side analysts. Cognex now expects third quarter sales to be in the range of $195 million to $205 million, comfortably above the computer vision company's prior forecast of $160 million to $180 million in revenue. The company attributed the better than expected performance to progress in replenishing component inventory that had been destroyed by a fire at Cognex's primary contract manufacturer in Indonesia. Cognex said it plans to offer details about its long-term forecast at the Analyst Day event, which includes a long-term compound annual growth rate target of 15%. ORTEX Analyst Data currently shows 6 buys, 7 holds and 2 sells, with a consensus target price of $52. Analysts may update ratings and estimates following the analyst meeting, so be sure to check back on ORTEX for all the latest analyst information. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.